everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today, you're taking a closer look at our 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT. With just over 38,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature a Summit white exterior and is equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 diesel engine. It is four-wheel drive, and it also has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front of this heavy-duty Silverado, you will find it well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front tow hooks and a front camera. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you can see a 20-inch high-gloss black alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you will find this truck well equipped with clearance lights, turn signal indicators integrated into the tow mirror, passive door entry, and fixed running boards. And on the reverse side of the tow mirror, you can see LED reverse lights and a blind spot monitor. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with some really nice elements like your leather and gray stitching, and of course a touch of chrome and your faux wood grain high gloss. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous truck. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they'll have nice features like a flow-through center console with USB and USB-C charging, all-weather floor mats, a fold-down cup holder, and storage on either side of the driver and passenger seat. And making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you can see your corner steps right here. And this truck is equipped with a spray-in bed liner and your cargo camera right there. We'll go over that there in just a moment. Of course, this vehicle is equipped with your Chevrolet Multi-Pro tailgate, all your towing equipment, and rear proximity sensors. And once the Multi-Pro tailgate is down, you can see you have easy access to the bed here, and it is prepped for a fifth wheel. And it looks like you have a 120 right here with LED cargo lights, and of course your wiring for your fifth wheel prep. Looking into our driver door area, you will have all your powered options such as powered windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and tailgate release. To the left of the steering wheel, you will see this Duramax is equipped with an electronic parking brake, your 4-wheel drive selector, and driving mode selector. And it looks like we have a brightness and dimming control for our center cluster, and options for our cargo lamp, and our general lamp selector. And once inside, you'll be met with some really nice graphics here. You can see this vehicle is a Z71 with off-road suspension. And it is a push-button start, so we'll go ahead and take a look here. Just over 38,000 miles on this Silverado 2024. Looks new, smells new. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the controls here. For safety, you'll have a front-end collision warning. And for comfort, you'll have your heated steering wheel, and of course you have your cruise control. And to the right, we'll have your selector for that center screen, a nice digital display here. Very nice and bright, very large, easy to read. And of course, you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth with smartphone integration. And bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, you are met with a 13.4-inch touchscreen display with Google built right in with your Alexa and Wi-Fi hotspot. And of course, here you can see you have a nice high-definition rear camera with your bird's eye view. You have cameras all the way around this beautiful pickup truck here. This is my favorite view here, very helpful for backing up, especially with that fifth wheel prep right there. So definitely a lot of versatility in the camera views. Down below, you will have options for your exhaust brake, lane departure assist, proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off. You have a tailgate release, your 4-ways, traction control off, and your downhill descent control. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of our climate controls. This particular truck is equipped with heated front seats. As you can see, you have 2 selections, and you have your dual automatic climate control as well. And to the left, we will have our integrated trailer brake control with our gain controls. In the middle, you can see we have plenty of storage here in the console, a nice open concept here with beverage holders. Again, chrome trim all the way around, really nice. And you actually have some wireless charging right here in the middle. And then underneath, you will have a deep storage console with LED lighting and removable trays for easy cleaning. And it looks like you have an additional 115 or a 110 right there for an outlet. And up front here, I did want to mention you do have micro USB and USB. Bringing our attention up top, you will have an auto-dimming rear view mirror with a powered rear sliding glass. And of course all your OnStar services with your bright LED map lights. And you do have integrated garage door openers, and as you can see, you can program up to 3. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see all the tires are 630 seconds all the way around, and the brake pads are 1130 seconds, and everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And of course, under the hood, you will have your 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. As you can see, very clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection that we just went over, this Silverado has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this pickup truck. Keep in mind that it is still a pre-owned vehicle, although it is fairly clean. We're not going to have much to go over. 2024, around 38,000 miles, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and check out some imperfections here. And this is very helpful if you're watching this and you do live further away from the dealership. We appreciate you watching. And this section is for you. This is where we like to be transparent. Here up front, minimal stone chipping. Of course, we have this nice visor here. Looks brand new, no chipping, no fading. Everything up here looks just really brand new. Headlights are clear, no cracks, no condensation, no dents in that front bumper, no curb rash on these wheels. All your moldings are in good shape. Even your badging is in very good shape, no chipping. Looks like here on the turn signal indicator, you will have a small spider crack there on that LED light there. I did not see that, but I did want to mention that. So that is on the passenger side. You will have a small crack in that glass. On the other side, everything looks good here. No scuffs behind the door handle, that's nice. As far as the inside is concerned, super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors, so no rip stains, tears, or odors. Premium cloth seats here. You will have some spots here where you can see a little bit of discoloration. And of course, some blemishes here on the glove box and on the door card there, otherwise very clean. Let's take a look at some of the trim here on the outer door. Of course, you do have all matching rain guards here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat here, guys. Of course, you do have your all-weather floor mat for easy cleanup. Seats are in good shape. Again, you have some spots where some light discoloration. Nice storage here. Headliner is clear of any rip stains, tears, or odors. Like I said before, no smoke odors, very important here. Let's take a look at the bed. You will have some blemishes here and here. No curb rash on that wheel. And on top of the bed rail, you can see you are going to have some blemishes and some light scarring here on top of the tailgate on this trim piece here, and you will have some blemishes here following along that line, cargo going in and out. Got to be careful, but it does happen. It is a truck. Really good shape here on the bed liner. Your tail lights are very clear, no hazing, no cracks, no condensation. Rear bumper looks good all the way up here. No dents or dings that I'm seeing, guys. Here on your third brake light, you can see you have your high definition rear camera. Very helpful for that fifth wheel. That camera points right down into your bed. Your fixed running boards are in good shape, no discoloration. All the trim looks good. And then ending up here on the driver door mirror cap, really good shape here on this 2024 2500. So if you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved right from home. Super easy, only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this truck does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.